That means the first fill up of 2019. On my way home from work, stopping to get some fuel. Just want to say welcome to 2019, guys. First of all, I want to say that this year is going to be awesome, and I'm going to tell you right now that we're starting off strong. You guys are gonna notice that the quality and structure of this content will greatly improve. I've got a lot of things, I got a lot of different things we're gonna do this year to make this content some of the best out there. So I'm gonna start the year off answering some questions that I got so often in 2018 and I continually get. I'm gonna address a huge one today that a lot of people want to know because it's really key to their build. For those of you who like to know the current prices, we're at $2.84, which is actually pretty cheap. Under $3 is awesome. Diesel pumps are either really fast or really slow. There's no in between. This is kind of taking forever. All right, and as you can see here, first fill up of the year. I forgot to put the clutch install here, so it's after my last fill up. So this is why it says 36 gallons, is because I put more fuel in before the tank was empty. 27 gallons, 396 miles, 14.6 miles a gallon. The first tree of 2019. So guys, I'm gonna formally welcome you guys to the video. If you haven't been here before, feel free to get down there and click subscribe. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers. That is unreal, guys. I can't say thank you enough for your support. I love reading all your comments. It's just unreal. I love you guys. So in 2019, let me know in the comments below what you want to see. Obviously, you guys know Daytona build going down. Talking about that real quick here. Mods for this truck coming very soon. Some of you have caught me in the Cummins forum. Those are the best things. Some of you have caught me in the Cummins forum, you know, talking and asking questions about stuff and opinions. So you guys who've caught me out there, y'all are real. Love you. That's awesome. When you're doing a build of this kind of status, it's not as easy as going out and going to Diesel Power Products, Alligator Performance, whatever website, and just being like, yep, click add to cart, buy. There's a lot more to it. Shut this off here. But there's a lot more to it. You want to find product, parts and mods that are, you know, a part of this event. Daytona has so many vendors there that you want to build a truck that has parts on it that are with the vendors that will be there. Tonight I went out, I was talking to a whole bunch of companies, and you know, here and there I got something cool on its way. That order is already in. Yes, there's something coming that you guys have been asking for. It's gonna get crazy. So the number one question I get, if you guys have been following for a while, when this truck was completely stock, you knew that these bumpers that are on my truck were chrome. Still are chrome. However, underneath, I'm gonna show you right here. Look at how this bumper turned out. Me and my buddy Julio painted it. I'm gonna show you the back bumper, show you that I mean, I can't show you that it is chrome, but I can show you how this one turned out. However, the question I get all the time is, how did you do it, what grit did you use, and how it's holding up? And then the first thing I'm gonna say is, this is holding up amazing. But your guys' question isn't, what did you do? Your questions usually start off with, well, I've called 3 body shops. They all say I can't paint chrome. It's not gonna come out right. It's not gonna stick. It's not gonna, any of this. That's what I get all the time. Body shops, I'm gonna be honest, they don't wanna deal with that. Because if you guys watch that video, I'll link it up here somewhere. It took us 27 hours straight. I said 27 hours straight, no sleep, no nothing. Friday night ended Sunday morning, 27 hours pretty much in a row. And I said it's not as easy as, you know, having a black bumper, paint it, stuff like that. A good chunk of the time was sanding this thing down. We used an 80 grit rotary sander, sanded all the chrome. You can't paint chrome unless you etch it. Chrome is so non-porous that's why paint will flake, chip, and everything off the bumper. I'm gonna show you that there's a rock chip in my front bumper that came up off the highway someday. Right over here, look at this. This is another one. No, but look at this. Rock chip came up, hit it. People were gonna be like, oh, you should clear bra it. Yeah, I get it, but I didn't, because I ceramic coat it. Now the clear bra won't stick. So but yeah, rock chip. If we just painted the chrome, this whole bumper would have peeled already. I also get the comment often like, is your bumper a different color? And the answer is no. It is the same color paint, but with, you know, the angles and how the light hits it, it just kind of looks like that. But it would peel already. Most of you guys are probably really blown, really blown away that, you know, body shops tell you no, 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 and no. We can't do that. We won't do that. And you're sitting looking at me who did it at home, and that's your best bet. When I got a quote for getting that done, it was about $1,000. Well, what is a quart of paint? 300 bucks. So, you know, I still have that quart of paint left. I painted 2 bumpers. I painted the rear one twice because a mosquito landed in it. I painted 2 grills, the plastic pieces. And I still have some paint left. So not only did I save money, I didn't have to deal with the body shop, and now I know that the paint's gonna stick because I did the work myself, and I got in here. You know, you etch your bumper. If the bumper is not etched, this paint will not stick. Everyone that says, oh, you can't paint chrome, that's gonna peel. I get those comments all day long on that video. People saying is, that's not gonna last long. You can't paint chrome. You can't paint chrome. You can't paint chrome. Sand the chrome down so there's not shiny anymore. Chrome does not want to sand, even with 80 grit. It does not want to sand. But if you stay at it, I mean, that's what they said. One of the longest parts of the 27 hours was sanding these bumpers down. Sand it down. Self-etching primer. It's done. It holds. I mean, this was in the middle of summer. We're probably got 6 months on these bumpers. Rock chips in them. Just from the road, I had a rock chip in my rear bumper. I touched up from the tire. That's fine. Like I said, if you want me to be honest, body shops, paint shops, they just don't want to deal with it because it's a pain. It is a royal pain. I was actually talking to the painter from Sparks Motors on Instagram, and he said, yeah, man, it's just a pain. You need to do it right or else it will flake off. If you guys want my advice, preparation is key. Like I said, sand the chrome down. You need to sand it. It's a pain. Do not take shortcuts. The whole bumper needs to be, you know, almost look like primer. That's how sanded down it is. If you want to check it out, go look at that video. Both of them, like I said, it took so long to just sand the bumpers. It was unreal. We were exhausted, but we kept powering through it, painted them, got them all done, like I said, 27 hours straight, and it looks awesome. Let's say color match. First of all, low volume colors, you cannot order them color match, so you had to make the sport appearance package yourself. That's why I did the bumpers and got the black emblems. Everyone says debadge it. No, because everyone and their mothers debadges their Cummins and they just leave the C on there. 1, different because of the color. 2, I also like the Ram 2500 up here. I don't know, I just like, I like badges. I don't like removing them. So short story short, yes, you could paint chrome. Preparation is key. 80 grit self-etching primer. Take your time. If you need to make it 2 weekends long, do it. Take your time because you do not want to redo it again because it is a lot and a lot of work. My favorite parts about this new clutch. 4th gear. Hope there's no one coming up here. And ready? It holds. It's the darndest thing. The clutch holds. It's awesome. How'd you guys like my poor attempt at a burnout, by the way? I got 342s, a stick, and 37s. It's not the easiest thing to do. Traction control was off too, but I mean, they spun them. I should have showed you guys the marks. There were good, you know, 4 or 5 foot marks there. I mean, come on, give me something. Shoot me a thumbs up for attempting a burnout. All right, guys, just like I was talking earlier, I just got 2 awesome emails back for 2 great companies, and they're 2 awesome mods that'll definitely be entertaining for you and interesting. They're awesome mods. I got awesome content planned for them when I have them in my hands, so stay tuned for that. As I said, just got two emails that were, you know, key ones. Those, oh, you guys would be so excited. But that is going to end today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, stuff is like getting, you know, it's actually piling up quick because, you know, once I get this one thing in, it's all going to flow from there, and this truck is going to transform. So if you haven't been here before, get down there, click subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I will see you guys next time.